In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Shopify header in just 5 minutes. A well-designed header can make a huge difference in how your online store looks and feels. It's the first thing your customers see, so you want to make sure it's both functional and visually appealing. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to Shopify. Open your browser, type in Shopify's website, and hit Enter. Once you're there, log into your Shopify admin panel using your credentials. This is your main control center where you'll manage your store's design, products, and more. With the admin panel open, look for the option labeled Themes in the sidebar. This is where you can manage and tweak how your store looks. Click on Themes, and you'll see your current theme displayed with several action buttons available. Next, hit the Customize button. This is where the magic happens. Once the new page loads, you're greeted with the Shopify Theme Editor. This is a powerful tool that allows you to customize different parts of your online store without needing to touch any code, making it accessible even for beginners. On the right, you'll see a sidebar with various sections. Find the one labeled Header and click on it. This section controls the very top part of your store, where your logo, navigation, and sometimes an announcement bar are located. Let's start with the logo. You can easily change the logo image to align with your brand. There are options to adjust the size and position to make sure it fits well within the header space. Take a moment to upload your logo and play around with these settings until it looks just right. Next, look at your menu. Here you can add, edit, or remove menu items depending on how you want visitors to navigate your store. If your menu has drop-down items, you can configure them here too. This allows customers to find what they're looking for without hassle. There's also an option for an announcement bar. If you have something special to share, like a sale or a new product, this is where you can enable or disable it. You can customize the text and adjust the colors to match your brand's aesthetic. Beyond the header, you'll also find general theme settings within the editor. This includes colors and typography, which can help maintain a consistent look across your store. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, don't forget to save your changes. You'll find the Save button in the top right corner of the editor. It'll ensure all your updates go live for your customers to see. And there you have it. With just these simple steps, you can effectively edit your Shopify header and enhance your store's look. Remember, updating your header is an important part of keeping your store current and engaging for visitors. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful Shopify tips.